first do sourdough,
Yeah.
and it's been sitting for a while, you get a liquid on the top. That liquid, it's okay. Yeah, you just stir it in. They call that hooch. It's a funny name, hooch. H-O-O-C-H, called hooch. It's not bad. Just part of the. Just means it's hungry, and you have to feed it.
Oh, nice.
So to feed it, you're going to feed it flour. So we're going to stick it on the scale,
Yes.
and we're going to put it to 0. And we're going to do measuring this in grams.
Okay.
And I'm going to put probably about 100 grams of flour in, roughly.
Okay.
163.
Okay.
94. And it doesn't have to be exact, just thereabouts. So that's got 111 grams.
Okay.
But that's okay.
Okay.
Doesn't matter if it's too much. I'm going to stir it a bit.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to get really, really thick. So we need to add water because we don't want it that thick.
Okay.
But you don't want it too runny either. That's the other trick. Some people make it too runny. So I'm going to add some warm water.
Oh.
You might want to pause it. Could be a bit warm on that.
Okay.
And so I'm not even gonna measure the water. I'm just gonna pour.
Yeah.
Because I can tell
Yes.
by how thick it is if I need more water or less water.
Yeah.
It's kind of thick like pancake batter, I guess I'd say.
Yeah.
Like almost like a muffin, but a little bit muffin batter, but a little bit thinner. See, that's still too thick. That's still too thick, so I need to add more water.
Okay.
And I've done this enough time that I can tell by that's still too thick. Still too thick. It's a little bit more. Bet you might be this whole jug of water. Oh, there we are. I think that's it there. Just a little bit more. There it is.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Enough? Nice.
Yeah. So you stir it up. Try to stir all the flour into it. You might have little lumps. It doesn't matter. It's okay if you have little lumps, but just not big ones.
Okay.
Make it smooth.
Yeah.
I always do this because the flour will stick to the spoon. So
Okay.
I do this to get some of the flour off.
Yeah. Okay.
Dog might eat that.
Oh. Okay, good.
Yeah, that's better. That's perfect.
Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah.
So if I do the consistency, actually, I do it this way. You'll be able to see it better.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There you go. That's it. So what we're going to do now
Okay.
is we're going to put an elastic on the jar, elastic band.
Plastic band.
And so you know the height.
Okay.
So you want to put it approximately where it is now.
Here.
Yeah.
You mean the practice?
Yeah. And then what it's going to do, it's going to grow.
Yeah.
So you know you want it to go 2 times.
Okay.
So you want it to go from there like to there.
Okay.
And then you know it's active.
Okay.
If it doesn't grow,
give
it more flour, more water.
Oh.
Because it's hungry.
I see.
It needs to eat.
Oh.
It'll be hungry. And then it'll grow. And if it doesn't grow, give it more flour, more water.
Oh, it's made hungry.
Yeah, it'll be hungry. And you just keep but if it grows, it's good. And this should grow. And you leave it out where it's warm now.
Okay.
So sometimes, like in Canada, it can be cold in the winter.
Yeah.
So I'll take it and you don't put the lid on tight, just loose. Because if you put it on tight, gas and it'll blow up.
Ooh.
Yeah, because yeast gives off gas. This gives off gas.
Yeah.
So you put the lid on, but just loose.
Okay.
And then in the wintertime when it's cold,
Mm.
this is what I do sometimes. I'll put it
Oh, you
in the
keep
microwave, but
warm?
don't turn it on.
Yeah. You just keep it
Like that.
right.
And then just leave the door like that so the light stays on.
Okay.
The light gives it heat.
Oh, wow.
Gives it a bit of heat. And so it makes it nice and warm, and then it'll grow.
Yeah.
You can do it in your oven too,
Oh, yeah.
with just the light.
Just right.
Just the light, but then you got to make
In-
sure that
enough
you never turn the oven
growing
on.
up. Oh.
So if you do that, because this is
wow,
the
I
light,
didn't
if you
know
do the
that.
light, I always take the knob off.
Oh, okay.
Because I can't turn it on.
You
I've
mean
done-
can.
I've done it once.
Yeah.
It makes a big mess.
Okay. Yes.
Ruins your dough.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, but that's
cooked.
that's yeah.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Good.
So I'll leave that in there for now.
Yeah.